They say strength fades with age, but the truth is your body never stops responding. You just have to give it the right signal at the right time. And for seniors, the simplest and most powerful signal comes from what you drink every morning. Imagine this: you wake up, your joints feel stiff, your legs feel weaker than they used to, and even simple tasks, standing from a chair, climbing a few steps, carrying groceries, feel heavier. Now imagine that within 7 days, those same legs feel firmer, your grip becomes steadier, and your energy rises before your day even begins. That's not magic. That's biology. And today, we're talking about a morning drink addition that can help seniors regain lost strength faster than most people expect. But before we reveal what it is, let us understand why muscle loss hits so hard after 50. Most people don't realize how early the decline begins. Starting in our 30s, muscle loss creeps in quietly, about 1% per year. But after 60, it accelerates like a downhill slide. By the time someone reaches their senior years, they may have lost up to 1/3 of their total muscle mass. And that loss affects everything: balance, stamina, posture, and even appetite. But the biggest shock is that this muscle loss, known as sarcopenia, isn't just age. It's also nutrition. Your muscles don't care how old you are, they care what you feed them. That's why your morning drink is the perfect place to rebuild strength. It's the first thing you give your body after hours of fasting. Your muscles are like dry soil waiting for the right nutrients, and the moment you wake up, they're most absorbent. But here is the catch: most seniors start their day with drinks that give energy, but no muscle fuel at all. Tea wakes you up, yes. Coffee boosts alertness, but neither of them helps your muscles rebuild. That's why adding one powerful ingredient to your morning drink can create a rapid change. So, what is it? It's a nutrient your body used to produce in abundance when you were younger. A nutrient your muscles rely on for strength, endurance, and movement. A nutrient that declines sharply after age 50. And yet, almost no senior gets enough of it. This ingredient is pure, clean creatine monohydrate, the most studied, safest, and most effective supplement for restoring muscle strength, especially in older adults. And before you think it's only for athletes, let me be clear: the scientific studies show that seniors benefit from creatine even more than young people do. Imagine stirring a small scoop, just 3 to 5 grams, into your morning tea, coffee, or warm water. No taste, no smell. But within days, your muscles start storing more energy. Seniors who take creatine report the same improvements again and again: stronger legs, easier walking, faster standing from a chair, better balance, more energy for household tasks, even improved cognitive sharpness. It's like your muscles finally wake back up. But why does it work so fast? Creatine is the fuel your muscles use for quick movements. When you stand, climb stairs, squat, lift something heavy, your body uses creatine first. Seniors are usually low on this fuel, so their movements feel heavy, slow, and tiring. But once creatine levels rise, even simple daily activities feel lighter. Your muscles stop struggling and start responding. Think about the last time you felt yourself losing strength. Maybe it was when you got tired halfway through sweeping, or when you felt unsteady walking on uneven ground. Maybe you noticed your legs shrinking, your arms softening, or your balance becoming uncertain. That's not aging, you're just running low on the energy molecule that your muscles rely on. And adding creatine to your morning drink is the fastest way to replenish it. But here's the real reason creatine works so well for seniors: it doesn't just give energy. It helps rebuild the muscle fibers themselves. When paired with light physical movement, even simple walking, stretching, or chores, your muscles begin repairing. They grow stronger. They grow more responsive. And the best part? Seniors don't need gym workouts or heavy training. Your daily activities become your exercise once your muscles have the nutrients to respond. Now, if you're wondering, is it safe? The answer is yes. Creatine monohydrate has been studied for more than 30 years in thousands of trials, including seniors aged 60 to 90. It is one of the safest supplements ever tested. No liver damage, no kidney harm, no dangerous side effects, just increased strength, better function, and improved energy. But like anything, quality matters. You want pure creatine monohydrate, nothing mixed, nothing flavored, nothing fancy. Just the real, clean powder that dissolves smoothly in warm drinks. Let's paint a picture. It's morning. You prepare your usual cup, whether it's tea, coffee, or warm lemon water. Before sipping, you add 1 small scoop. You stir. It disappears instantly. You drink as usual. But behind the scenes, your muscles receive the fuel they've been missing. Throughout the day, you feel a subtle difference: less heaviness, less fatigue, a little more stability when you walk or stand. And by day 7, the difference becomes noticeable. You stand up faster. You feel more control in your legs. You have energy you didn't expect, all from a simple addition to your morning drink. But here's where the magic really happens. Creatine supports not just muscle strength, but also hydration inside the muscle. Seniors often experience dryness and stiffness because their muscles hold less water with age. Creatine pulls water into the muscle cells, making them fuller, stronger, and more flexible. That's why many seniors report not just strength improvement, but reduced stiffness and easier movement. And here's something most people don't know: creatine even boosts brain energy. Seniors taking creatine show improvements in memory recall, mental clarity, and reaction times. When your brain and muscles both get a boost, your entire day feels lighter and more controlled. It's like your whole system becomes more youthful in response. So, adding creatine to your morning drink isn't just about rebuilding muscle. It's about restoring confidence. The confidence to move without fear of falling. The confidence to stay active without worrying about fatigue. The confidence to age with strength, not weakness. And the best part? It's affordable, easy, and takes less than 5 seconds. No complicated routines. No expensive treatments. Just a simple addition with powerful results. But before you rush to add creatine to your morning drink, there's one more thing seniors need to understand. Strength doesn't return by accident. It returns by consistency. The first week gives you noticeable changes, but the second week builds momentum. And by the third week, your entire body starts operating differently. Muscles become more responsive because they finally have the raw material they've been craving for years. It's like turning the power back on in a house that has been dim for too long. Now imagine combining creatine with one small extra habit: drinking it with a warm liquid. Seniors often underestimate how much warmth alone helps the body. Warm drinks improve gut absorption, relax stiff muscles, improve circulation, and set the tone for a more energized day. When creatine enters warm circulation, your body absorbs it easier, helping the strength-building process begin within hours instead of days. Whether you drink tea, coffee, cinnamon water, ginger tea, lemon water, or simple warm water, it all works because you're creating the perfect delivery system for your muscles. Think of the difference this could make in your daily life. Tasks that once felt tiring suddenly feel normal again. Instead of needing to sit and rest every 10 minutes, you find yourself moving through the morning with steady energy. Instead of feeling weak while stepping off a curb or picking something up, your body feels stable, centered, and strong. That's the quiet power of restoring what age has slowly taken away. And here's the truth most seniors never hear. Strength is the #1 predictor of aging well. Not your weight, not your cholesterol, not your blood pressure. Strength. Seniors with more muscle live longer, stay independent, recover faster, and maintain better brain function. But you don't rebuild strength by chance, you rebuild it by giving your muscles what they respond to. And creatine is one of the simplest, safest, and most effective ways to do that. So, tomorrow morning, when you reach for your drink, remember this: you're not just waking up your mind, you're waking up your muscles. And by adding a single scoop, you're giving your body the power to regain what years have quietly taken away. Strength is not gone. It's waiting. And your morning drink is the key to unlocking it again.